You know the interesting thing about pain? It's actually a human's best friend. What I mean by that is pain is always giving us real-time feedback, showing us something in our life is misaligned. It's showing us that something doesn't make any sense. There's a blockage. That's what it represents. It also represents growth. There's no growth without pain. Think about that. Let's use an example to further amplify what I'm saying. What about a mother giving birth to their child? Is that not growth? Is that not one of the greatest things that another human can do for another, is birth their child? It was painful though. From what I hear, I haven't done that yet.